Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I discussed about how sale fast Austin. So firstly we go on Google, search Google, yes. And when I go on Google, so firstly we searched about house sell, house sell fast Austin, Austin. When I searched sell house fast Austin. So we saw first image property investment in Austin, Texas. So we go on scroll down and we saw LinkedIn profile sell house fast Austin owner and YouTube profile house sell fast Austin. So go on first website Homelight named as Homelight. Clicked on this and we read about this. Need to sell fast, get offer in just 48 hours from our network of cash buyer. So you saw sell your home fast in Austin. What type of home you looking to sell? If you want to sell your house like single family, townhouse, condo and mobile home. So choose a section and I read terms and condition. Home lights simple sale. If your goal is to sell quickly with minimal hassle, simple sale may be your best option. First, direct access to cash buyer. Simple sale connects you to the largest network of iBuyers in the US and gets you top offers on your home and sell your home as IS. No need of prep, tagging, or showing. Sell your home in any condition to our network of buyers. Close in days. You get to pick your closing day and moving date. We handle the rest and you will get money in your bank account within 7 days. If you and a traditional listing. If your goal is to maximize what you get for your home, work with a top agent in your area. Work through agent. Most home seller work with an agent to narrow down a price and list on the market. And prep and stage your home. Listing your house on the market often requires a deep clean, updates to the home and professional staging. Close in a month. A traditional closing can take months. The buyer financing may even fall through at the last minute. Why wait? Connect with our network of pre-approved cash buyer. Get my offer. If you sell house, then please contact this. How fast homes sell in Austin, Texas. Using historical home sales data for the Austin housing market, you can learn a few essential things about selling home fast in Austin. When you should sell, if you want to sell fast, about how long you can expect your home sale to take, how that change over time, and where homes are selling in the faster in Austin current housing market. If you sell your house in Austin current housing market, so you can contact on this website and get appointment for selling your house. I hope so you understand and thank you.